Hey guys, in this video I am about to show you how you can make slow reverb or speed up music in your CapCut PC or in your mobile, just like these YouTube videos. But before we move forward, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Open CapCut on your PC. Then you have to import the music that you want to edit. You have to find the best photo that matches your music. Now drag the photo in the music into the dashboard. This is the original music. If you are making this video for YouTube, you have to change the ratio to 16:9. Crop the photo a little bit shorter so it will look good on that music. Now go to the canvas options in the picture settings at the right bottom and select blur option. Select these blur according to yourself and which looks good. Now to make the music slow, click on the music. Go to the speed section right at the top corner. Reduce it only 2 times from its original time. Always remember to enable this option when you are increasing or reducing the audio. Now our music is ready and this is what it looked like.
You want to sing with me, just la 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 la.
Our music is now ready. It's time to make some adjustment in the music. First fade in and fade out about 1.5 seconds. To make the video a little bit darker like this, first go to the library option, select the black image, paste it there, and go to the freeze option, freeze it and delete the other 2 clips. Now adjust it fully with the video. Click on the black image and go to the mask option. Select these options and follow me as I am doing this process. We make this a little bit darker. Now to adjust the image, go to the adjustment option of that image. Always make sure to increase the sharp option and do all these adjustments according to yourself. Now make the photo a compound clip and go to the animation and fade in and fade out that photo. Make it at least 1.5 seconds and this is what it looked like. Now to make the music speed up, do the same process. First click on that music and go to the speed section. Increase it only 2 times larger than the original time. And this is what it looked like. Adjust the video with the music. And now you can export the music with the highest quality and FPS and the bitrate. This video was all about making the music slow, reverb or speed up. I tried to make this video very simple so that even a beginner video editor can understand. If you don't understand any part or anything in this video, feel free to ask any question that you had in the comment down below. And also make sure to subscribe and like for more videos like this.